spirit is a spiritual or mental part of humanity. It includes our intellect, emotions, fears, passions, and creativity. On February 17th, World Human Spirit Day is celebrated every year. It is a day to wonder at our achievements on this planet and to contemplate the endless possibilities we have as humans. The message of Human Spirit Day is a reminder of the simple ways we can empower ourselves every day. This day is a celebration of continuity, of hope. A day for all of us to connect spiritually, to gaze at the universe beyond our worldly gaze. It is a tribute to mankind and planet Earth. The human spirit is capable of finding light in even the darkest of times. Nothing can prevail over it. There is a hidden strength in the human spirit that inspires us to achieve a lot of things in life. Never underestimate human spirit. It is capable of doing things that are beyond our imagination. Let us discover the inner peace in each one of us on Human Spirit Day.